Hello students, in the last video lecture we have discussed about different kind of the mirrors and the terms connected to it. Let us today use plane mirror and find certain concepts about the plane mirror. Okay, let's make an image on the plane mirror. Image of object on plane mirror. Okay, so we'll be using plane mirror and making an image of that. So first of all, we'll take a plane mirror, take a straight line and quote it from right side. I always say you, whatever mirror you take, always quote from the right side. That will be easiest for you. Now we will be taking an point object. This is a point object. Point object. And it will be producing point image. Let's see how it produces. At least two rays are required. At least two rays are required for making an image on any mirror. So first ray will strike diagonally on the plane mirror at a point of incidence and will bounce back on the same path. And this is the normal which we'll get. And the second ray is that will strike perpendicularly on the surface. The ray which strikes perpendicular on the surface will bounce back on the same path. So this is the incident ray and this is again the reflected ray. The same path is adopted by the reflected ray. So we already said where is the image formed. Image is formed where two reflected or refracted. In this case we are using reflections. We will talk where two reflected rays actually meet. Actually or appears to meet. This reflected ray is going in this direction, this reflected ray is going in this direction. They are not going to meet anywhere. So what we'll do, we'll extend these reflected rays and they appears to meet here. So we'll form an image. So this is a point object, it will form a point image. But as two reflected rays actually are not meeting but appears to meet, so they will form a virtual image. Okay, remember that. So this is image of object on the plane mirror. So we have taken point object, now we have produced a point image. But if question come, form an extended image of an extended object on the plane mirror. In that case, nothing, we will not change any diagram. What we'll do, we'll utilize this. Let's utilize the same process once again on the mirror. Take another point object, same way form an image, that is a virtual image. Now this is another point object, this is another point image on the same mirror. Now join these 2 points. When we join these 2 points, it becomes extended object. Okay. And these 2 points of image will also join to form an extended image. So this way you can make extended image of extended object using plane mirror. Okay. Now, whenever you are standing in front of the plane mirror, it produces always an image, and there are certain characteristics about the image on the plane mirror. Let's write characteristics of image formed on plane mirror. Okay, sometime only characteristics are being asked. The first characteristic, as you see, it is a virtual image. Plane mirror always form a virtual mirror. So image formed on the plane mirror, image formed on plane mirror is always virtual. Remember that. Number 2, you see it is equal to image formed on the plane mirror is equal to the size of the object. So size of image formed on plane mirror is equal to the size of object. This is the second property. Third one, see, if the object, you can stand in front of the plane mirror, if you go just away from the mirror, you will see the image is also going away from the mirror. So distance between the object and the mirror is always equal to the distance between the image and the mirror. So image formed is always at the same distance as the object is from the mirror. So third property is image is always at same distance as the object is from the mirror. Remember that. Okay. Now fourth property. The image formed is laterally inverted. What do you mean by laterally inverted? Lateral means side. Laterals means side. Sides get inverted means the right side of the object will appear on the left side in the image of the plane mirror, and left side of the object will appear on the right side. That is called laterally inverted image. So image formed on plane mirror is laterally inverted. Okay, these are 4 properties, and this concept is called lateral inversion. We'll discuss that also, but first you understand these 2 concepts connected to the plane mirror. Then we'll come to next one. I hope you understood. Thank you so very much.